India will have its own robotic army. DRDO developing humanoid fighters robots. India is making rapid strides towards modernizing its defense capabilities, in which the development of robotic and unmanned systems is playing a major role. India has not only been an importer of defense equipment but is fast becoming a defense technology innovator. Remote control robots, AI-powered weapons, and autonomous defense systems will become commonplace in the Indian Army in the coming years. This will not only increase security, but will also strengthen India's strategic power globally. DRDO scientists are developing humanoid robots for military missions, which will ensure the safety of soldiers in at-risk areas. It will be able to handle robotic complex tasks, autonomous navigation, and hazardous materials. Equipped with advanced sensors, actuators, and control systems, it will be ready by 2027, which will revolutionize defense and other sectors. Friends, today's video is going to be very interesting and informative. That's why you will definitely share this video as much as possible and reach many people. So, more and more people will know about it. Apart from this, you are also requested to watch the video from the beginning to the end. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. The Indian Army used robotic dogs and nano drones in relief operations after the recent earthquake in Myanmar. These robotic mules are capable of carrying equipment and gathering intelligence over rugged terrain. CATS Warrior, developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, is an autonomous combat drone, which is being developed in collaboration with the Indian Air Force. This drone will be able to carry out missions by going deep into enemy territory. India's indigenous air defense system, Akashtir, has been inducted into the Indian Army. The system facilitates low-level aerial surveillance in the battlefield and efficient control of ground-based air defense weapon systems. The development of robotic and autonomous systems in India's defense sector will not only ensure the safety of soldiers but also propel the country's military capabilities to new heights. With the efforts of organizations like DRDO and HAL, India is moving towards playing a leading role in future war strategies. Scientists at the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, are working on developing a humanoid robot that can take part in frontline military missions, which aims to carry out complex tasks in high-risk areas without endangering the lives of soldiers. This robot will be able to perform tasks such as walking in difficult terrains, opening doors, removing obstacles, and handling hazardous substances. Prototypes of its upper and lower structures have been developed, and the project is expected to be completed by 2027. The Research and Development Establishment, Engineers, a premier laboratory under the DRDO, is developing the machine. Will be able to perform complex tasks under direct human instructions. This robot is being specially designed to ensure the safety of soldiers in an environment where the risk is high. The team at the Center for Systems and Technologies for Advanced Robotics in Pune has developed separate prototypes for the upper and lower body. This humanoid robot will also be able to work in difficult terrain like the forest. The project is currently in its advanced development stage. The focus of scientists is on improving the robot's ability to understand and apply operators' instructions. Actuators, these generate motion like human muscles. Sensors, these collect data in real time from the surrounding environment. Control system, these direct the actions of the robot by analyzing the information collected. The biggest challenge is to ensure that the robot can perform the desired tasks smoothly. For this, it is necessary to master balancing, fast data processing and implementation at the ground level. Scientists are focusing on these aspects. DRDO officials said that two-legged, bipedal, and four-legged, quadrupedal, robots offer immense potential in areas such as healthcare, domestic assistance, space exploration and manufacturing, along with safety and security. The top of the humanoid robot will be equipped with a lightweight arm spherical Revolute Edition configuration, with a total of 24 degrees of freedom, 7 in each hand, 4 in the gripper, and 2 in the head. This robot will be able to perform complex autonomous tasks, such as grasping objects with closed-loop gripping, turning objects, pushing, pulling, opening sliding doors, opening valves and crossing obstacles. handling hazardous materials such as mines, explosives, and liquids safely. The two hands will work together in a collaborative manner to handle hazardous materials safely. The robot will work seamlessly day or night, indoors or outdoors. It will include many technical features. Proprioceptive and exteroceptive sensors. These will provide the robot with information about its body and the surrounding environment. Data fusion capability. The ability to integrate data from different sources. Tactical sensing. It will help the robot to make decisions in complex situations. Audiovisual perception. This will provide the robot with the ability to see and hear. In addition, this humanoid bipedal robots will be equipped with many features. Fall and push recovery. The ability to handle yourself when you fall or are pushed. Real-time map generation. The ability to map the surrounding area. Through autonomous navigation and path planning, simultaneous localization and mapping, SLAM, this robot will be able to operate autonomously in complex and high-risk environments. This humanoid robot project of DRDO will not only revolutionize the defense sector, but it can also contribute significantly in other areas such as healthcare, space exploration, and industrial applications. Scientists believe that such advanced technology will help in increasing the safety of soldiers as well as making human life more safe and convenient. AGVs, autonomous ground vehicles, can help monitor enemy posts, carry ammo, and evacuate wounded soldiers. Some models can also be operated remotely and have AI-based navigation systems. The use of artificial intelligence, AI, in the Indian Army is also growing rapidly. An AI Center of Excellence has been set up for the armed forces. AI algorithms are being used to improve decision-making ability in war, such as threat analysis, identification of enemy movements, and target selection. DRDO is developing new UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, such as Swift and Archer-NG, which are capable of conducting surveillance as well as strikes in enemy territory. Loitering munitions are drones that fly over the enemy and attack the target as soon as it is seen, much like a kamikaze drone. Halskat's Warrior is a UAV that can enter enemy territory without a pilot. India aims to have a digital soldier under the FINSAS project, which will be equipped with smart helmets, body cameras, real-time data link. The use of technologies like 5G IoT, quantum encryption in the defense sector will also be done soon. The Indian Army is working on a project in which soldiers will be equipped with smart weapons, helmet-mounted displays, body armor, and backup robots. The robots will accompany them, pick up bags, weapons or ammunition, and will also be able to fire if needed. Many startups in India are now developing AI and robotics solutions in the defense sector, such as companies like IdeaForge, Tata Advanced Systems, and New Space Research and Tech are providing smart drones, robotic vehicles, and combat software to the Indian armies. The Indian government has imposed restrictions on the import of more than 400 defense equipment and has decided to develop these indigenously. The joint journey of DRDO, HAL and India's emerging private defense companies has not only made the country self-reliant, but India is now emerging as a trustworthy and competitive player in the global defense market. India's defense startups are now competing with cutting-edge technologies such as AI, drone swarms, and global innovation in humanoid robotics. India's defense exports have grown from 1,500 rupees crore in 2014 to more than 16,000 rupees crore by 2024. Systems like Tejas, BrahMos, Pinaka, and Akash missile systems are getting interest from foreign buyers. India is now becoming an inexpensive but effective defense partner for developing countries.
So friends, see you again in the next video with some more interesting facts. If you like the video, then definitely like, share and subscribe, and if you want a video on a particular topic, then tell your topic in the comment box below.